We're here at SLE Equipment, located in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Dixie Chopper Magnum Zero Turn Mower with the Kawasaki Engine. You can find this mower as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. So what we have here, guys, we have the Dixie Chopper Zero Turn Mower Magnum Series. It's a 60-inch cutting deck. This is a semi-commercial unit. This unit comes with the cast iron spindles as well. This unit has cutting heights of 1.5 inches to 5 inches. And it's controlled right here with this lever here. Pull the pins there. As you can see, this unit comes with a standard seat. Very comfortable. Also comes with armrests. The brake is located here on the left-hand side. The choke for the unit is located here, as well as your cup holder. This unit has 2 gas tanks. It's located here on the left-hand side. And the others are located on the right hand. The lever to switch both of those tanks is located here, as you can see. Again, this is a Kawasaki engine, as you can see there. Also, on this unit comes with a not a full hitch, but also a small hitch if you pull a cart or pull an aerator, that would help as well. Okay, here on the right hand side is your control panel. You have your ignition switch, as well as your hour meter, your PTO switch, and your throttle. Your hour meter is important. It helps you keep up with the maintenance on the unit. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, also have a viewfinder here on the side to let you know how much gas is in the tank as well. This unit doesn't have a grass chute, pretty much just a little rubber flap here to help keep the grass from blowing. Also, you got the air-filled tires as well here in the front. They'll help give you a comfortable ride as well. Again, this is the Dixie Chopper Magnum. This is a step above the Z2, which is a residential unit. This is considered a semi-commercial unit. Great for your, pretty much probably like your small to medium-sized yards. So again, this is a Dixie Chopper Magnum, 60-inch cut. If you have any further questions, please give us a call. That number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.